Hey everyone, today I've got the 2021 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Ride Command Edition. I'm going to show you what this model comes with that the regular XP 1000 does not come with, seen over there. So the Ride Command Edition, of course, is going to add the Ride Command, which is the touchscreen, which we'll go over in a minute. It also adds the roof, the GPS for the group ride, the antenna for the radio, LED headlights, and the front synthetic rope 4,500-pound winch with wireless remote. That is what the Ride Command package adds over the regular XP 1000. So with the regular XP 1000, you have no radio, you just have cup holders, no roof, no winch, no GPS, nothing like that. So anyways, let's go ahead and check out the Ride Command Edition. Got speaker on each side, one there, one over there. Battery tender port, which comes on all of them, but anyways, let's go ahead and show the Ride Command Edition. You also have a wireless remote, now comes standard. If yours didn't come with a wireless remote, you can contact Polaris customer support and they will send you one in the mail or set you up with the dealership to install it for you. However, they are very easy to install. Just a box goes under there, runs a wire, and plugs in right under here. You simply just take out a couple push pins and that comes out and you can take care of that, no problem. So anyways, Ride Command has these cool gauges. Let's see if we can get the camera focused a little better. These cool gauges showing all kinds of things. You can actually customize them with that little settings button right there. You can change the data. So right now it's showing the compass. Let's say you want to change the engine temperature or fuel level. Let's leave it at fuel level. You can hit done. You can also change to 2 different screens. And change which data you want and stuff like that. So right here you can select up to 3. You gotta unselect one to select the other. Hit the done there and cycle through those screens. Just hit that button there and it'll go back and forth. To get to the front and rear cameras, right here, there's your rear camera. I apologize, I forgot the Ride Command Edition doesn't have the front camera, only the Ultimates do. So you can buy the front camera and it's literally just a plug and play. The plug-ins already ran up under there. It's fairly cheap. I want to say it's under $200 for the front camera, but again, you can look right in front of you, so I don't see a huge benefit to it. Here's the GPS. Basically, it's only going to show trails. It's not going to show like streets and stuff like that. It is an off-road GPS. It is pretty nice though. It's got a lot of nice features. You can zoom in. It doesn't have any reception in here, so that's why it's not really working too well. Connect your phone, see your text messages and calls coming in. And you can also use it for music. FM, AM, USB, which is in the glove box. Let's get back to the other screen. And then your volume control is there. Also, you have Plow Mode on the Ride Command Edition. So what that's going to do, it's going to use your winch, and then you'll be able to drop the machine into low gear, and it's going to put your plow on the ground, and when you put it in reverse, it'll pick the plow up. They do have a back drag mode, which a lot of people have requested. Personally, I don't use it that much, but a lot of people do, so it is nice to have that. And looks like you can adjust the lowering time, which is kind of odd. I did not know that, but anyways, you can also import and export your rides from the GPS. You can set your rides, also see where your friends are at, all that good stuff. You can set the settings. Oops. You can get to the settings to update the software, which this one probably hasn't been updated. I will update it before it leaves. But you can update the software and be able to do all connected to Wi-Fi. Probably no Wi-Fi down here. Actually, I have updated this one. But anyways, they do have a lot of new features where you can actually see like a satellite view of the GPS, but you do have to connect it to a mobile hotspot. And I don't have a mobile hotspot on my phone to be able to show you that. However, it would be a pretty neat feature, and maybe I will try and connect it to Wi-Fi and see if I can get it done. Anyways, there you have it. That is the 2021 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Ride Command Edition. This is the matte navy blue color. It's a new color for this year. Pretty fancy color, really. I like it because it doesn't show fingerprints as bad, and doesn't really show the dirt or scratches or anything like that. So anyways, let me know below in the comments what you guys think of this model. Would you buy it, or would you pick one of the other colors like the burgundy or the high lifter edition? What do you think? Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.